In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock a contact on WhatsApp. If you've previously blocked someone on WhatsApp and want to let their messages and calls come through again, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where that setting lives and how to turn it off. Unblocking doesn't send a notification to the other person, and it doesn't restore messages that were blocked in the past. It simply allows new messages, calls, and status visibility according to your privacy settings. Start by opening WhatsApp on your phone. Make sure you're on the latest version of the app and connected to the internet so settings update right away. Next, go to Settings by tapping the gear icon at the bottom right of the screen. This opens your account area, where you'll manage preferences for chats, notifications, and privacy. From here, choose Privacy. This section controls who can see your personal info and who can reach you. Inside Privacy, tap Blocked Contacts. This list shows every number and contact you've blocked on WhatsApp. If someone isn't listed here, they aren't currently blocked. Now, find the contact you want to unblock and tap their name. If you see multiple entries with similar names or numbers, check the phone number to be sure you're choosing the correct person. If your list is long, take a moment to scroll carefully. On some devices, a search field may appear to help narrow it down. When you're viewing that blocked contact, tap Unblock Contact to confirm. WhatsApp will immediately remove them from your blocked list. From this point on, they'll be able to send you messages and call you on WhatsApp. Your existing chat thread with them, if you have one, will remain in your Chats tab. New messages will appear there as usual. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to this same blocked contacts screen and block them again. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. After unblocking, if you still don't see their messages, ask the sender to try again and make sure you haven't muted the conversation or archived it. Also, remember that what the contact can see, like your profile photo, last seen, or status, still depends on your privacy settings. Unblocking doesn't override those choices. And that's it. You've successfully unblocked a contact using the built-in WhatsApp privacy controls. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a refresher.